Alright. Wait, that's not the right one. What am I doing? 5 now. Oh, here we go. Sorry. We are all set. Hello. Hello, Ramon. Let me pop this out here. So today we're gonna make a little spaceship in Blender using 2.8 beta from today's build. So we got the 1206 build. Hello, Snoodle. Hello, Ramon. Alright, so let's go. Here we are. This is a pretty simple primitive shape, and yeah, I think this will be a nice little mini project here just for the morning. So let's see. First of all, we got kind of like a upside down triangle shape in the front. So let's see. We could scale these two together to make that. We could go Control N to flip these. And then we've got this bottom part here. I'll leave this fin till later. Oh, thanks, Ramon. Hello, Dee. Alright, it's going in at an angle like that. So let me... It's also a bit shorter, like this, I think. Shorter. Alright, let's extrude this. I think the selection bug was fixed yesterday. The subdivision selection bug where it was like if you're in subdivision mode you can't select certain verts, but I think it's working properly right now. Because before it was like if you tried to select here, it would actually be using the primitive version for selection, so you wouldn't be able to, it wouldn't match up, but looks like it's all good now. So pretty happy about that. Alright, so this is a triangle. Let me just bring it all the way back to the end. Hey Andy, good morning. Alright, so then this goes down at an angle. Let me make it flat. Pick these two, hit J. Actually, let me bring on my shortcut viewer. So I want this line to be about here, so that I can bring that out. So there should be a surface change there, that angle. Oh, actually I drew this line wrong. It should not be going all the way to the bottom. It should be going up probably to here. And then this goes in, and that's what creates the surface change there. Can mirror it like that. Is it just me, or could you not draw it? Yeah, the knife tool was really janky lately. Let me see if it works now. Okay, I mean, looks like it's okay for now. Let's see if it works in subdivision mode. Yes. Alright, I think maybe knife tool has got a little band-aid, and I think it's working now. Okay. Yeah, this latest build from yesterday and today seems to be behaving way better with all those update problems that we were having before. I think we're in good shape right now. Alright, so this shape here. You know if it's possible to see the sub-D result in low poly cage? Yeah, you can do that. You just click this little button here. But I actually like to leave that on. Because sometimes when you're working, you see how the cage actually goes behind the surface here? So we can't really select, or it's really difficult because we can't see behind the cage here. Maybe the cage should be like always draw on top of the subdivision surface, because otherwise it's hard to work with it. It gets a little bit thicker over. Yeah, I'm gonna watch Spider-Man. Yeah, I'm actually kind of excited to see it. Oh. I want to see if anything made it in any of my stuff. But, I mean, I don't know. Seems like it's getting good reviews so far. Thanks. Are you gonna watch it? I have a request for your ad pie, single vert. Yeah, that's a good point. I need to. Well, I mean, what I usually do for single vert is just duplicate an existing vert and press P, and now we have a new object. But single vert in the ad pie would be nice. I just feel like I can do it that way pretty easily. Yeah, I think that's true. It's bevels like that. Uh-oh. What is this? What did I do? Did I do the wrong one? Oh, okay. Oh no. What happened to booleans in edit mode? No. That was one of the coolest things. What's going on? Oh, there we go. Alright, I'll just do it like that. Yeah. Did you know it also creates with whatever you have selected? So if you have a face like this, you make a cylinder, it goes to the side. Or if you go over here, then it goes to the front. Might do this part with just a boolean here. Ah. Oh, I need to make that default. Shoot. Something like that. Round that off. We got Alright, we definitely don't need the boolean on this. There. Seems something in your configs HDRIs don't work with EEVEE. I don't have any HDRIs in my config. I don't know. In general, well, I don't know. What is the problem? I guess I don't really use the HDRIs, so I haven't noticed the issues. Why isn't this letting me cut here? Oh, there we go. I think it was trying to cut onto the other piece there. Onto this piece. This has to be separate so it doesn't get these cuts here. Otherwise it'll be like that. So I'll separate these guys and turn off the cutters for these guys. Let me save this. FOMO. That's what this drawing is called. The HDRI lighting doesn't work in EEVEE. In cycles it works fine. Okay, let's see. It's working fine here. Is this what you mean? Looks good to me. The reason why I had this here is because of a weird, well, I want the scene to start in rendered mode, but for some reason Blender doesn't let you start in rendered mode. So it always, when you reopen the startup file, it'll always go back to this one. So that's why I made this one look like rendered mode. If we were able to start in rendered mode like this, then I wouldn't mess with the, I would leave this how it normally is. But it's a trade-off. Everything's trade-off, I guess. Andrew, top edge beveled in. Oh, like this one, bevel there. I wonder if I should try to connect this in. Would that be any cleaner? Alright, now I gotta figure out this junk over here. The guts. It's probably my favorite part of any drawing, is doing all the little guts and bits and pieces. So let's see. If this cutout's pretty nice because it follows the lines of the shapes here. So I think it's actually happening somewhere in here. Come on. Somewhere in here. That's awkward. Get rid of all this. Alright, so this is a bunch of stuff. Let's see here. Can go like that. Oops. What? Like that. And like this. Actually, I'll separate this off so we don't have to deal with the surrounding geometry. And yeah, this is a bit of a cluster here. Oh, maybe I'll just put in like some of this stuff and then build the panels that go around it after. So at least we have like some idea of what kind of space we need to cover. This is all mirrored too, going the other way. Maybe I should like flip myself this way. Why didn't I do that in the first place? Confusing the shit out of myself. Oh yay, they fixed wireframe again, I think. Can actually see through in wireframe now. That's good. Very nice, very nice. Hello, Alexander. See if we can go sideways a bit like this. Need a little more space there. It's pretty messy there, but oh well. Seems like now you can't draw a vert with spacebar. Let's see. Shift spacebar. Oh, you're right. Why is it doing that? Whoa. Oh, I think this is the... this shortcut script. Well, you could also just duplicate whatever you're working on and press P to create a vert. Maybe I should just put vert into the add pie. It just seems like overkill for something that is it shorter to pick a vert, duplicate it, and then press P, or is it shorter to pick a vert, shift A, and then press vert? You know, I feel like it's almost the same amount of work, or the same amount of steps. You guys really want it, huh? Okay. Yeah, I think it is the same. I guess the only case where it is faster with the pie is if you need a fresh mesh without any modifiers. Because I guess if this had, this had subdivision in it and all these modifiers, and you duplicate it, you're duplicating all the modifiers also, which is not great, I guess. But yeah, that's a good point. I should add that in somewhere. Yeah, well, maybe, but I feel like duplicating is good because then it's like relating to the surface that you already have. It's already like if I want to make a pipe here, it's already here. Anyway, I think we are we can argue about this more later. I don't want to do this part right here. This is this part here. I think this goes like that. I don't know about this whole section. Section's a little wackadoo. "50 averted automatically gets rid of modifiers," and well, I don't know about that, because sometimes you do want to keep it on the same mesh here. I don't want to always separate with Shift-D. And also I don't always want to get rid of the modifiers. Like, what if we want to keep our mirror here? It's actually nice to keep the mirror in this case. So I mean, yeah, I don't want to get rid of all that functionality. You can do that if you want, though. Just let us know how it goes. I'm gonna turn on, where is it? Backface. You can see what's going on. This will let us see those other side faces. Maybe I need another light too. God damn it! I wish, you know what, this annoys the shit out of me. Like when you're in edit mode, you go all the way to the outliner, click on the light, and nothing happens. You cannot click on the light. Why? Why can we not select the other objects in edit mode? Come on, give it to me. Yeah, I gotta switch to object mode first and then go. That seems like an unnecessary step, because in what case are you gonna be clicking on this and not want to select it? Maybe there is a case and I don't know. I don't know. Somebody explain it to me, please. I'm so confused. Yeah, outliner is desperately needing some help. Nander, can you do it in mesh mode? Like, you got verts selected over here. Can you select the light now? Or another object? Because I can't. I don't know if this is my problem or what. Maybe it is something my fault. Can anybody confirm that problem? Where if you're in edge mode or whatever, can you select an object in outliner? Yes, can even do it and have two objects in mesh mode. Really? Huh. Same behavior as you. For an ender, do you have to switch into object mode first? Are you in object mode when you're selecting these, or are you in edit mode with the edge, face, or vert? That's the problem we're having. Why cannot apply a modifier in edit mode? That's another one that really bugs me. I feel like you should be able to apply stuff in edit mode. Why not? Why not? I hate that you have to keep switching to object mode for all these like unnecessary tasks. Alright, it's working for foreignander in edit mode. Let's see. I'm gonna try this here. Let's try it. I'm on a mission to find all the stupid stuff that's happening. All the stupid stuff that's my fault. Anybody else with standard Blender here? You know, it could be just a hotkey thing, maybe. Possibly. Yeah, I can select two objects and go into edit mode. That's totally fine. The problem is when you are in edit mode, see we're in edit mode now, and I'm trying to click on and to select a different object. I cannot do that. That's the problem. It's very simple. Okay, are you... Yeah, I'm gonna test it too. I'm curious about this. So if it's working, then that means maybe it's just like a hotkey problem or something. Oh, here we go. Oops. By the way, if you're wondering how to run Blender, you just copy it to your desktop or wherever. I copy mine to Dropbox so I can have it on multiple computers at the same time. Like I can basically, if I go over to my laptop, it's already gonna be updated to the same setup I have here because it's on Dropbox. That's like one of my favorite features of Blender. Alright, I'm about to feel like a huge idiot if this works on the default Blender, because then all this complaining that I'm doing is just my own fault, which it's happened before. Not afraid to admit it when I'm being an obnoxious asshole, but it happens to the best of us. But if I'm right, it'll just only add to my obnoxiousness. Oh shoot, it's working. It's not working. Oh my god. Jesus. Foreignander. What's going on here? Foreignander, what the hell are you talking about? What build are you using? Alright, I'm about to test it too. Almost there. We're on a witch hunt for bugs. Burn the bugs. Unpaid quality assurance. Alright, let's see. Foreignander, where are you? You better not have run away. You need to answer for your crimes here. I'm just kidding. This is stupid. I'm being dumb. Hey, Jesse. Oh my god. Should I separate these? Okay, let's separate these. Do a subtract here. We can adjust that. Well, I put this feature, I requested this in the UI paper cuts thread on DevTalk, and I don't know, nobody responded to it, so. But I don't think this is this a bug? Would this be considered a bug? Let's see. Alright, let me save this one. Moment of truth here. I'm gonna just double, triple check, quadruple check. Let's see oh shit, which one was the one I just downloaded? 12.6, 11.34. This is the one. Let's get in here. Come on. Come on. Okay, let's see. We're in edit mode. Oh shit. Wait, why is... I thought it was left click select now. Wait a minute. Am I... Oh, I know what's going on. I'm gonna add a config folder in here just to reset everything to basics defaults. Now it should run with the left click select. I just want to make sure everything is default. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, left click select, everything default. Let's select our light. No, what the? So what? All right. What? Maybe it's just a hotkey in here. I guess you can't really. Let's see. Oh my god, I don't. Okay. So how do you? Oh my god. Oh god. Maybe it's a hotkey. Maybe we can get it to work with a hotkey. Let's see. Preferences. If you don't know how to edit menus, hotkeys, it's in here. Preferences, and then input, and then outliner. Let's see. Show dim, outliner, select border, play, update, highlight, select. Select is left click. What is recursive is if, okay, all the children. Extend. Okay, that doesn't work either. We just need to like make it so it doesn't lock. How it's like locking us out of selecting when we're in edit mode, which I don't think is good. By clicking on the triangle, yeah, here it doesn't matter which one we click, it doesn't really do anything. Oh wait, that works. Huh. Alright, if we go in and then click, that works, but what does it? But that also doesn't work for lights, because what if we need to select a light here? Doesn't work. Oh well, I'll stop complaining about it. I don't know. They must be getting so many bug reports right now. It's like, must be like a totally swamped in there. I did report the one bug for the, like, Subdivision was crashing when we had the edit cage on, but that seems to be working now. I don't know if they just fixed that on their, like, aside from my bug, or if they saw it. I don't know. They're going fast though. A lot of stuff is getting fixed lately. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Using the version from 6 days ago. Huh? Maybe. Alright, Fornander. We'll just have to take your word for it then. This shape here is messing with me. I can't seem to figure it out. I think I should just like add a bunch of crap in here. Subdivision with edit cage isn't working in the newest build for me. Wait, it's working for me. Here's Subdivision with edit cage working right here. Spencer. This is with the scripts from today and the build from today. It wasn't working like a week ago actually, because I don't know, there's some bugs with the cage. But it seems to be working right now. Let's see. Maybe I can get some squiggly pipes or something going on here. What HDR? What can you? What HDRIs? There's HDRIs in rendered view now. Actually, you're right. Let me check this. Is there HDRIs in rendered mode now? You need to download an HDRI from HDRI Haven. You mean like adding in your own custom HDRI in rendered view? Okay, and then doing the same exact thing in a vanilla build works. You guys are killing me here. Let's see. Alright, so if we go add, where is it? Isn't it called background? Okay, background, color, image texture, open. Let's see if this works. Is this it? Doesn't seem to be working here. Do we need to change the vector for this to work? Only works with environment texture. I'm using the background surface, is that right? And then what? This needs to be environment texture. Oh, I see, I see. Okay, that one... Why is it so high up? Is this right? Okay, at least we're getting this here. Let me try it with my build here. Or not my build, but my little config. I don't know why it would change that because I don't really mess with any of these settings. Alright, let's see. Background, yeah, color, environment texture, open. Okay. This looks like it's working. Change the material to see if it's reflecting light. Oh, okay. It looks like it's reflecting the HDRI. You just make it metal. Yeah. Is this what you're looking for? Or is that not right? Is it this blurriness? Alright guys, you're really busting my balls here with all these made up imaginary bugs. Ghost bugs here. I mean, come on. Give me a break. Can you just test it your damn self? Getting me all freaked out for no reason. %99 of the time it's just like, just go download the latest build and the latest scripts and it'll work. Okay. Alright. Well, we got a happy ending here, at least. Thankfully. Happy ending. Let's see. I hope it stays this way. Blender. It's like, I don't know. I guess it's like there's few steps forward, few steps backward, which I'm guessing it's because of all the dependency graph stuff that they're doing. I don't know. It feels good right now though. I think it's working pretty decently. HDRI is kind of cool. Got a little maybe this should be a FedEx spaceship. Although I hate FedEx. FedEx is so depressing. Okay. What am I doing? I totally forgot what I was doing. I think this needs more guts in here. It's kind of cool. You can hold Alt and drag. Oops. To make your own little squiggles. Alt drag. Will this explode my computer? Let's see. Ooh. Kind of cool. Look, Ma, it's grease pencil. 3D grease pencil. Too much. Oh, I wonder if we could do, let's try to do a curve that's over here. I want a path instead. Ah! I wish you could bevel curves. Ugh. There's probably a better way to do this. Oops. Alright. So that's one. Let's call this side in guide curve. I'll just go some direction. I don't know if this is the right direction. God damn it, let me select the... Oh, shoot. What was that other curve called? Not that one. This one. Rename this to goals. Oh, okay. Circles, where are you? Hi, Mr. Boughton. Spencer, do you have the latest build from like a couple hours ago of Blender? Because they fixed that issue. Oh, for Solid View, right. I think, yeah, you're right. Solid View is still screwed up, maybe. Let's see. Let's go. Solid View. Solid View. Good old Solid View. Yeah, you're right. For some reason, Solid View does not respect modifiers very well. I think same thing for mirrors. Yeah, it doesn't show mirrors either in Solid View. And I'm pretty sure this is a Blender bug. Let me try it in my little test build here. So let's go to Solid View and let's add Subdivision. What? Oh shit. It does work in regular mode, huh? What is the difference here? They must have... I wonder what they changed to make that work. Let's see, mirror. Okay. Unless they're using like... No, that can't be it. What could it be? Shouldn't be anything in here. Let's see. I'm going to try to make the settings exactly the same. I'll go to MacCap. And here's all my options for MacCap. Let's go to MacCap. Here's my options there. Okay. And then, let's see, add subdivision. Okay. Huh. No. Why isn't that working? Huh. from what I could figure out on my own, it's something in your startup file. Yeah, maybe that would really suck because the startup file has a lot of goodies in it that I don't want to get rid of. Yeah, maybe the code changed for this solid mode. I don't know. But why would it? Damn it. Why would it work in all the other modes except for solid mode? Yeah, anyway. I'll have to figure that out eventually. So maybe, hopefully it's something simple, fixable. What was this thing? FOMO. Alright, well, today was that was a nice little bit of bug hunting and doodling here. I think I'm gonna, this needs a lot of work, but at least we got the overall shape here. I think I'm gonna call it a day for right now. But thank you guys for showing up and helping to find some bugs and letting me know how stupid I am with all my self-induced bugs here. But anyway, thank you again, and I'll be back here 11 a.m. tomorrow. If you have any 2.8 questions or requests or stuff, I'll be here. See ya.